Hi, this is Risling Kenlao. Now, after I received a lot of query from HRDCorp, right? So I realized that I couldn't do it right for the first time, and it could be someone else there right, also have the same situation, or it could be you are new to claiming this SBL Khas Grant, right? So as a training provider, how can you do it better is that well, I actually document it into some tips here, right? So hopefully this will help you, right? Now, so first of all, you need to prepare 4 documents, right? That is an invoice. The invoice must be issued to PSFB, and there's a T3 form, right? The T3 forms, right? If you're doing offline, you need to get the participant to sign. If you're doing online, then the T3 forms, participants don't need to sign, but you need to put remote online learning at the sign column. And training provider need to sign, right? Clients do not need to sign. And the next thing is that the Zoom attendance, right? The Zoom attendance is required for online. Zoom attendance, right, must sign by clients and training provider. So yes, you need to sign that, right? And then the JD form is both required offline and online. And the JD form must be signed by manager level, right? CEO, HR manager will be good. Then you can head to this website. Once you prepare this one, right, you can head to this website to log in. Right now, once you log in, click on applications and then click submit claims with grants TP, and then after that go here and then click the claims, right? This your clients already applied the grant and approved by HRDCorp, so you just need to click on the claims. And then next thing is that you click on the next, and then here next, right here is everything is about same, right? And then the next, then you come to this slide and you click on edit training details, right? That's the first step. Now this is a lot of issue that when I first using it, right? And you must update the attendance for each one, right? So you click on that one. After that, you click on this one, click it, and then change it here, right? It's somewhere here you need to click the attendance, right? Whether it's above those so on, right? So that is step 2. Step 1 is here, step 2 is here, step 3, once you click it on, there's another save button at the bottom, right? You click on it. Now you come to this one, and then you basically select the date, and then click the download. You open the file, update all the attendance, right? At either accepts or presents, right? Then you click on the choose file button, add this attachment into it, right? It will be here. So finally, you attach the attendance at the bottom part, right? It's the T3 form and the Zoom attendance, right? In PDF format, right? Yeah, I forgot to tell you. It's in PDF format. You need to sign by the clients, person name, right? Person in charge name, the positions, the date they sign, right? There are 5 things you need to. Same goes to the training provider, right? The signature. Oh yes, company chop as well, right? Company's chop must stamp. And that same goes to JD 14, right? And together with the invoice. Well, when you done this, click on the save and submit, right? Fill out all these things the same, right? And then click save. Yeah, through all these things, right? There you are. And yeah, that's good to go, right? Good to go. All right. So when you see this, you are successful. Click OK. And I spent when the first time claim SBL Khas, right? It was a very time-consuming and costly mistake, right? I make a lot of mistake. You can easily take times another 3 or 4 times, right? I still make mistake, but I hope that I think I will get it lesser and lesser, right? Now, if you like to contact with me, right, you can go to LinkedIn and check me out, right? Or my Facebook, learn some Microsoft Excel tips, right? And well, that's it, right? So you ask me why should we help each other, right? Right? So how can I not help others, right? My sister was built by many people, right? Since I was born, right? That was like 41 years ago, right? 43 years ago. My mom helps me. The doctors in the hospital helps me. Fathers helps me. My siblings helps me. Then my teachers, my mother, my family. More and more people are helping me to learn something new, right? Classmate helps me, colleague helps me, managers helps me, or when I come to work, oh yeah, there is the lecturers helps me, managers helps me, my students helps me, right? When I become a trainer, my students helps me, my business partner helps me, my student recommend me to another company, and then so police helps me, nurse help me, doctors help me, taxpayer help me. Well, a lot of people helps me, right, to become successful, right? Oh yeah, the YouTubers helps me. Many people share their knowledge unconditionally on the internet, right? Many people helps me. Well, there just a lot of people helps us, right? How can we not be grateful for this, right? So we are one, right? So be kind, and if you can help, help, right? And you can help by financial, you can help by sharing, you can, right? You can, right? Every individual is part of this world. There's only one world. We all live in the same world. We breathe the same air. And God bless you. God bless us. God bless Asia. Hope this step-by-step guide really helps you to minimize your time, and thereby you can go home earlier. Thank you.